तिनी अंतररहित आत्मा and जीव तदात्मक अंतररहित अखंड तत्व. जीव is not like that. परमात्मा और कृष्ण परमात्मा. जीव is आत्मा and he is param among all जीव. चेतनश्चेतनानां नित्यो नित्यानां. नित्यो जीवा, नित्यानां is supreme and nityo nityanam chetanaschetana. So there are 9 things Jiva is separate from Brahma. But separate. But don't think like that he is separate. Separate, no existence. Anyhow, he will be subordinate. In Golok Vrindavan also, here also. एक कीर्तन कर दो तो. Oh, he will do kirtan. Give him. Oh, stand up.
Each body, only one jiva.
Each body, prominent one, but one jeev. But in blood, one drop of blood and millions of jivas.
Gurudev, does the jiva have precognition of what choice he's making when he's turning away from Krishna and looking at Maya and becoming enamored by Maya?
But I could not understand.
Moment when he decides to go to Maya, does he know what he is?
No. He's doing that, thinking that I'm doing best. I will enjoy. Like a boy is going to catch a fire. He does not know. He thinks there's anything to eat.
If the demons had a practice bhakti, they would have become purified. Why did the children put them into Radha?
What?
He's saying that because you explained that Shankaracharya became with the order from Krishna that the demons, all the demons now they are practicing bhakti and they are trying to become like Hiranyakashipu. So he's saying if they are practicing bhakti, then why they are not becoming purified from these material desires?
They want to be a demon-like with material power. That bhakti, doing bhakti. Dhruva Maharaj did bhakti. For what? For that kingdom. And if Raman doing bhakti of Shankar, Brahma, for what thing? For power. And to
Control the
whole world and to give so much trouble. So bhakti is there, otherwise he cannot do anything. If bhakti is Mishra, then you can have mukti or you can have swarga or anything, otherwise no. Have a kirtan. As you like, Jai Kunj Bihari or anything. Have to jog though.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari
Yasodhanandana Vraja Janaranjana Jamuna Tira Gopi Jana Balava
Once Vidur went to Himalaya Badrikashram near. There was Maitreya Rishi, very learned, and Krishna Kripa Patra. Krishna told Vidur later on that you should go to Maitreya, and I have told everything to Uddhava Maitreya. Maitreya will give you all knowledge. So Vidur went there and he asked Maitreya Rishi. It is very wonderful that Jeev is Chetan and always with Krishna, with Brahma, Parabrahma. But how it became that Maya, Jiva was entangled in Maya? Then Maitreya is answering. I can tell you in brief only one reason. That Krishna power is Aghatan Ghatan Patiyasi Shakti. She can do
Impossible to possible.
possible. What is that?
She can make the possible impossible and the impossible possible.
Possible.
Whatever is possible can make it.
So Aghatan Ghatan Patiyasi, Krishna is Shakti. So only this is reason. That he hides the mercy of Krishna, Paramatma, and see, takes Jeev in condition. He become conditioned. So reason is what? That Aghatan Patiyasi. But this is the power of Krishna. She cannot do anything against the desire of Krishna. Then why Krishna is doing so? That so many jivas are suffering so much. Why? Tattu Leela Kaivalyam. Leela Kaivalyam. There are so many pastimes of Krishna. Why not should these be? Krishna. Oh, Srishti Leela. This is Srishti Leela. There should be no lacking. No. And there will be no question why. No. It's quite independent. You cannot ask any question. Why you have done so? Why not? Anything there will be. Oh, you cannot understand by yukti, argument, logic. You cannot. Achint bhav vishesh. Achintya khalu bhava na tans tarke na joje. Don't try to understand transcendental thing by your limited. You can. So what Vedas has told, especially what the essence of Vedas, like Srimad Bhagavat has told, what our Goswami, essence of Bhagavat, they have told, we should rely on them. Bhagavat Achinta Shakti. By only this, Jiva comes my and mine in this body. And Maya ke prati moh, bewildered by Maya. Only this reason. Vastuta, practically or transcendentally, by constitutional form, Jivara Shuddha, because they have come from Shuddha Chit Shakti. But there is nothing Maya in his constitution. We say she, that now we are baddha by cross and material body. Full body. Now, Jeev, first Mahat Tattva comes, after that Ahankar, then Man Buddhi, Ahankar, Chitta, all, and after that this gross body comes. This is Bandhan. But this Bandhan is not true. You should not think that this is true. Maitreya Rishi is telling to Vidu. This Swarup Brahm, you know, so many kinds of, but especially the Atma Buddhi. This Swarup Brahm, if no light, no sun, darkness. What is darkness? Any satta of darkness?
Absence of light.
No sat, no existence of darkness. Only where there is not sun, or there is night, there is andhakar, or that is here. No Krishna service, oh Maya Bandhan. Like you are sleeping in the night, and you are seeing a dream that my head is cutted. But when you will walk, then what you will see? Nothing. So when you will awoke, by the mercy of Guru, Guru said, oh, what I was seeing a dream like. So don't be nervous, upset in this Maya if suffering coming. See that this is due to sleepiness.